Hello guys, and welcome back to another unboxing slash haul, even though there's only like 6 items here, but doesn't matter. So this is a Beatles necklace haul. Ooh yes, and this is a seller I have bought from in the past before and was very pleased with their work. I bought my little Paul McCartney guitar pick necklace from them a few years back. Their eBay username is Revs0689 if anybody is curious and wants to check them out. You know, give them some nice love. But yeah, so they were doing like a promo where it was like buy 2 get 1 free, and then I couldn't make up my mind, so I bought 6. So 2 of them ended up being free. They're like $6 a pop, so I mean it's not breaking the bank by any means, but let's pull these all out. Boy, I had hell trying to get a hold of these in the first place since they were mailed, and apparently USPS lost them, so luckily the seller was cool enough to reship. So what I did, me being me, I bought 3 Ringos, 2 Pauls, and a John. 2 Pauls because I already have the other Paul one, so now I have 3 and 3 for Paul and Ringo, plus 1 John. Might come back later on another day to get more John and maybe some George, I don't know, but this is where we're at for now. So, are these licensed? No, but they're made from guitar picks that are, so in that kind of thinking, it kind of isn't, you know. So anyway, in no particular order, I shall show them to you. So we've got Ringo number 1 over here. Let's take a look-see. We've got the Meet the Beatles / with the Beatles photo on this one. Oh, it looks so good. It looks way better in person than it did online. Oh my goodness. I am so happy I bought this. I like the addition of the little beads, the accent beads around it. So we've got this one right here. On the back, got the Beatles logo and the actual licensing info there. So we've got that. I'm not sure how I feel about this clasp, because this is honestly like a little tiny lanyard clasp. My other one wasn't like that. It had like a lobster claw clasp on it. So this, I don't know. I don't know about that. I might modify these to add my own clasp, but that's okay. It'll work for now. It'll be fine. So there's that one, first off. And then we have, I also like these cute little bags that they're in. I may upcycle these. They're great colors, too. We've got this one of Paul, also from the Meet / with the Beatles shoot. This one's a little off-center, but that's okay. That's okay. I don't think that's the fault of the person who made these, since they didn't make the guitar picks. The guitar picks were just made like that. So, Paul's just happens to be off-center for whatever the heck reason. Now, see what I mean? This one has the lobster claw clasp on it. So maybe they just ran out of the clasps and had to use something. That could be. I understand. I mean, I craft and sell things online. I, of all people, get it when you have to substitute something. So then we have... Oh, I'm excited. Ooh, we've got Sgt. Pepper Paul on this one. I saw from the back side of it, there was Sgt. Pepper. So... okay. This is our Pauly Poo one. Of course, on the blue background to match his suit. And on the back. That's why I was like, I could tell it's Sgt. Pepper even without seeing who was on it. Honestly, both sides of this are good, but yeah, it makes it multi-purpose. That way you can flip it around. And just since now I'm paying attention, another lobster claw one. So, you know... I'm thinking they ran out when they came to the other Ringo. Unfortunately, Ringo is usually the one that gets shortchanged on such things. But that's alright. Let's do our John one. Oh, I just noticed that it was all color coordinated with the bags. The blue bag was for the Paul one in the blue. The John one's in a green bag. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh my god, that is just like the extra touch. Chef's kiss. I just noticed that. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love that. That's such a nice touch. Wow, I love when sellers put in that little extra bit of effort. It goes a long way with me. It really does. So here's our John one, and this looks phenomenal in real life. That is so good. And again, same back on it. The funny thing is this particular set of guitar picks, I have the set of guitar picks still carded and everything. These are a display piece. You're not meant to play with them because, you know, it'll scratch off. But I actually have this set. So it's kind of cool seeing somebody craft with them and actually owning some of these too. So there's that one. Oh, that's just so cute. Oh my goodness. We've got Pepper Ringo. Yeah, literally all I need is Pepper George now. Oop. Don't knot on yourself, please. Now, see again, lobster claw. Had to have been what happened with that one, is that they just ran out. But look how cute! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, I love it so hard! I love it so hard. That is so damn cute. And then finally, my other Ringo. I've just got like a psychedelic era Ringo over here. Kind of like my other Paul one that I bought before is. It's kind of like the same era. These, I think, may have been custom printed given the different thickness and quality of the picks. So, unless I'm wrong and there was like some other brand that did a set of Beatle picks. But yeah, so there's this Ringo one that's got his signature over here, which is like the Paul one that I also have, that has the Paul signature off to one side. I'd go grab it, but when I used to work at Mod and I wore it, it got some pizza sauce splattered on it, and there's still a little stain that I haven't like gone in and tried to like really scratch off of it yet, so we're gonna not show that right now, but you guys have definitely seen me wear it before, okay? Okay, so anyway. But yeah, so this is the matching Ringo one. Very cute. I'm very pleased with my purchases. Very pleased with how they were packaged. Well worth the wait. Oh my gosh, if you want some. Again, their screen name is Revs0689 on eBay. So anyway, that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.